Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Kombi Commerce Pro. This example features a 65 kWh battery producing 218 PS. The vehicle comes finished in the lovely graphite dust grey metallic paint colour. Some of the exterior features include LED headlights with LED daytime driving lights, and in the front bumper will also find a set of front parking sensors. Down below and across all four wheels, this Kombi sits on a set of 16-inch Montreal alloy wheels finished in a silver colour. Privacy glass lines the rear windows, including the rear tailgate window, which has a heated function, and further helping you park and manoeuvre, the Transporter features a rear view camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the boot area of the vehicle, there's a large amount of storage space, and access into the rear passenger area can be found on either side of the vehicle thanks to the twin sliding door option. In the rear seats, we'll find isofix points on the outmost seats, and these seats can be folded flat or removed entirely if required. Up in the driver's cab area, we'll find two twin armrest seats with a heated function, and in the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system that allows you to connect your smartphone device using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Moving over, and in front of the driver we'll find a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel, which is paired with a Volkswagen digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Kombi. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.